Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sapphire AM5 based B650 NITRO and Plus motherboard. So friends, Sapphire has announced AM5 based motherboard. The company has introduced two different B650 motherboard design, Wi-Fi and non-Wi-Fi version, and the NITRO board allying with Sapphire's NITRO graphics series is a mini ITX board is equipped with 8 power state design and 80 power delivery and it supports DDR5 memory up to 6,000 MHz per second through the plus indicator suggests it may reach higher speed. And however, unlike most high-end motherboard brands, Sapphire does not provide detailed CPU or memory support. So friend, the Pulse B650M features 7 plus 2 plus 160A power state design and the board a micro-ATX model and slightly larger, fitting a PCI 4.0 into 4 slot, but still offer dual DDR5 DIMM slot but enabling speed up to 7400 MHz per second and through is a more USB port. Overall, the NITRO series, the Pulse lacks a USB Type-C option on I/O panel, and both boards support all-in-5 processor from 7000, 8000, and 9000 series. So, friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.